In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Filmora Subscription. We'll walk through the entire checkout process from the moment you open your browser to the final secure payment, so you can start editing with confidence. Begin by opening your browser and searching for Filmora. From the results, head to the official Wondershare Filmora website. Make sure you're on the legitimate site before moving on. You should see Filmora clearly branded as AI-powered video editing software. Once you're on the site, look for the sign-in area. Enter the email address associated with your Filmora account, then type your password carefully. For your security, keep this information private and avoid using public networks when logging in. When you're ready, click the highlighted button on the page to proceed. Then choose the login option to access your account. After you're signed in, navigate to the pricing section. This is where you'll see the available plans. If you're in the Philippines, switch the currency display to PHP so prices are shown in your local currency. This helps you see the exact amount you'll be charged without confusion. Now review the plan options and choose the one that best fits your needs. Consider how long you want access and any features you expect to use regularly. When you're sure, click Buy Now to go to the checkout page. If you have a discount code, look for the option that says I have a coupon. Click it, enter your coupon code exactly as it appears, and then click Apply. Wait a moment for the page to refresh and confirm that the discount has been applied to your total. Next, enter your payment details. Type your card number without spaces or dashes, then enter the expiration month and year. Add the CVV, which is the 3 or 4-digit security code on your card, and make sure the cardholder name matches what's on the card. Accuracy here prevents payment errors. Fill in your billing information, including your full address, and be sure to enter your zip or postal code correctly. This information must match your bank's records to validate the payment. Take a moment to review your order summary, the plan you selected, the currency, and any applied discounts. When everything looks correct, click Secure Checkout to finalize your purchase. You should see a confirmation on screen, and you'll typically receive a receipt or activation details via email shortly after. That's it. You've successfully bought your Filmora subscription, and you're ready to start creating.